These are the roller linear switches sold by KBD fans. These are pretty unique because these use 8 metal ball bearings which help align the stem, reduce wobble, and make it smoother. Instead of the whole face of the slider making contact with the inner rails, we have a smaller point of contact which are these ball bearings. These can slide or roll in place to reduce friction. All throughout the housing you can see these grooves or channels cut so the ball bearings can slide freely. And the pole of the stem is also fitted for the ball bearings inside of the switch. For materials we have a PC top, nylon bottom, and palm stem. KBD fans list these as a transparent ink PC top, but since Gateron isn't listed as a manufacturer, and these have a very unique mold, I don't know if these are the same ink plastic that Gateron uses for their ink switches. And now for the sound tests. So the reason I wanted to review these is because they're built so differently with the ball bearings, but these also sound pretty unique. They have a very deep sound with a sharp clack to them. In my experience, not a whole lot of switches have that. So KBD fans listed these for 60 cents a switch. I think that's a pretty good price. I don't think you need to open these up at all, which saves you a lot of time. There's lube at the bottom of the housing so you don't get spring ping. The housings are very tight, you don't need to film them. There's no leaf ticking, and it's really smooth. They're one of the smoothest switches I've tried stock, so you don't need to open them up at all. They're also designed very differently with the ball bearings. You could say this is innovative in that because there's a smaller point of contact, there's less friction. Of course, there are switches that are cheaper than this, that are smoother, or you can make smoother, but I think this is a good premium switch for a keyboard. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.